Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off color correction in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 phone. So to turn off our color correction, now we have grayscale enabled. To turn it off, we need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options and visual enhancements. In visual enhancements we have color correction. As you can see, it's grayscale now. To turn this mode off, we simply uncheck this box and now our phone is back to normal. Alternatively, we can adjust our colors in this menu too, but we just want to turn it off and now it's our default colors. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.